presenting a pre-owned 2014 Dodge Journey SE. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.4-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and a four-speed shiftable auto transmission. This Dodge has less than 212,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, roof rails, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.
Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.